Hey Rebels! Welcome back to 13 Days of Spooky Makes. I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. Today's project, we're going to be making tiny little treat bag embellishments. So here is a little look of all the different supplies I'll be using for this project, and it's super easy to make and a lot of fun. And the best part about this project is that we are going to use our scraps of paper. Oh my gosh, I think it's always important to find cute little ways to use up your scraps. I don't have a proper dimension for them. Just like make cute little rectangles, and see, there's some that are smaller than others. I just went through each scrap and just cut them down to size so we can add little handles and make them all cute and decorate them. You can make them as big or as small as you'd like. These are the supplies you're gonna need, so lots of scraps. If you have decorative scissors, grab some of those. I'm gonna be using some die cuts and stuff from my collection. I have the Hey Pumpkin here. I have a bunch of these dimensional stickers from Michaels that I have here that I pulled from my stash. I have a sticker book, I have the crepe paper puffy stickers, some sticker die cuts from my collection, and some more Michael stickers and little dimensional ghosts and stuff like that to work with. So you're also gonna need some raffia if you have, because raffia is thicker. Some black ribbon. I have some jute twine in black and purple, and then I have some orange baker's twine. And then I have the sticker sheet from Cartabella, and then I have the Hey Pumpkin chipboard. So this is all I'm going to be working with. So let's get started. So to begin, start cutting down your little rectangles. I'm just eyeballing it. There's no actual size in mind. I'm just cutting them down to make them look cute. Stuff I want to decorate. So I think I'm going to start with this one. Okay. Now for the handle, you're going to need to use a glue gun. I'm going to use my decorative edge scissors just to kind of create a cute little topper. You know how treat bags have like a little zigzag kind of pinking topper? And you're going to essentially just add two little blobs of glue to the back and then add your little handles. So while I wait for the glue gun to heat up, I think I'm going to go in and add a couple of these little puffy stickers just to dress this up a little bit. So I'm thinking of using some of the candy corn because they're really cute and tiny, and I think they would look adorable on here. Yeah, I'll put one here. That's cute. Okay. And get your piece of twine or whatever you're going to be using for the handle, and just add, oops, that's too much, but just add a little dot of adhesive, and you want to just press down on there. I think that is good enough. And I'm just going to use a silicone finger protector just to press down. So here is the little treat bag, and then I'm going to go in and just trim the excess. And then afterwards, what you can do to cover up the back, if you'd like, you can add a piece of extra scrap of paper to cover the backs, or you can add some foam adhesive so that it's kind of leveled up with the little handle. But I think this is so freaking cute. So I hope you guys enjoy this project and enjoy making some for yourself. I'll probably just speed up the rest of the video, add some music, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my creative process. That's what it looks like with a double handle, and this is what it looks like with just one handle. So I think I like that. Here are my finished embellishments. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a lot of fun playing with these. You can make so many. As you can see, I made 17. They're just so fun to do and really easy. They create the perfect little touch for any project, for Happy Mail. I'm actually gonna add some in my October daily, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm just gonna do a really quick close-up on all of them so you guys can check them out.
I really like the mix of the purple. I really like this one. This is one of my favorites. I like how I added the purple to some of them, like the black and white ones. This one's really cute too, with the little pop of orange of the handle. And then this one's really fun too. It's a little bit different. And then there's this cute little owl one. I hope it's not blurry, I can't tell. And then I have this little one using my own collections, and the stickers, the puffy stickers are from crepe paper. So there's another one here, a little bat with googly eyes. And then this paper is one of my collections, and I love the black with the purple and the orange. I think it's really fun. And then here I used my own little sticker with the Hey Pumpkin collection. This is a sticker from Michael's, and I added some puffy stickers from Hey Pumpkin. This is, again, one of my paper designs, and I just added a chipboard from Hey Pumpkin. I might go back and add like little gems or enamel dots, but I think for now I'm just going to leave them as is. This one is a little Frankie, so fun. And then we have another one here. This was one of my favorites too. I put a spell on you. And then the Eek background with the 31. And then the first one we made together.
If you decide to do this project for yourself, I'd love to see it. Don't forget to add photos in the Facebook group, as well as in the Halloween Facebook group if you guys are interested. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!